All right, folks, I'm going to be adding another pick to my Thursday night UFC Super Lock fight predictions, best bets, and Super Locks. All right, so we did 4. I want to add 5. I'm going to try to do 5 every week. I've been doing a lot of research last night and into this morning about this fight. Now, this is a fight of 2 brand new UFC fighters. All right, both were in Invicta before. Actually, Jin Yu Frey was the atom weight champion, but she's moving up. She's moving up to a bigger division. The atom weight is a 105 division. She's moving up to a 115-pound division. And, she's 35 years old. Kay Hansen is 20 years old, but don't let, the age kind of fool you. Frey is 9-4. Hansen is 6-3. So they both have about the same amount of cage experience. Again, doing the research, I don't see how Frey can win this fight. I'm really, really high on Hansen, and I did the research, and I wanted to give a fight that had more. I was looking over my picks for Thursday night, and a lot of them, unfortunately, my other fight that I liked got canceled. So some of the odds are a little high. This is almost a pick'em here. Kay Hansen is minus 136. Okay. Frey is plus 106. All right. So it's a pretty even, fight, pretty much a pick'em here. But I see Hansen winning this fight either way. If it goes to decision, I think she's going to control the fight with her wrestling, with her grappling. Not really too impressed with Frey. I've seen her struggle with other grapplers in a couple other fights. I think Hansen is going to dominate this. Would not be surprised if she ends it with a ground and pound or a submission. But I probably expect this to go to a unanimous decision for Hansen. Again, you're laying pretty much even money here. I think the weight difference, Hansen's been fighting at 115 her whole career. This is Frey's first fight moving up to 115, and I think it's going to be a bad night for Frey. Probably her last fight in the UFC. But Hansen has a very bright future. She's only 20 years old. The way that she wrestles, I think, could give a lot of, fighters in this division a lot of problems. So I see her winning tonight for her first UFC win, and she'll probably be in the UFC for many, many years. So take Hansen, right? Put it in some parlays, bet it straight up. Very, very confident. This is my super lock of the night, of the weekend. Again, Kay Hansen, minus 136. Lock it up.